Hi guys, it's me Nana here, also known as Adira. I tried to do this video for like 10 times, but I hope this will be the nice one. So this will be the all you can eat squishy tag created by I'm So Chubby. The punishment will be bite a squishy for 10 seconds. So let's just get started. So the first category is donut. For donut, I choose this Play-Doh donut. The second category is cake roll. For cake roll, I choose this radio cake roll. For the third category is macaron. I choose this Hello Kitty macaron. Then is cupcake. So I have this mini cupcake. The next category is spice. I have this spice show. Sorry for rushing this video. I need to go somewhere. That is why I'm looking like this. So the next category is ice cream. I choose this medium ice cream, I guess. I don't even know about squishy that much because I'm a new squishy collector. The next category is cake. I have this iBloom shortcake, which is super rip because this is preload squishy. So squishy. The next is pudding. For pudding, I have this. I don't know if this is pudding, but it looks like a pudding. So comment down below, is this a pudding or a muffin or a cake like that? So the next category is chocolate. For chocolate, I choose these Hello Kitty donut, just a big one. I'm just so mad at the people. The next category is fruit. I choose these iBloom shortcake strawberry. It's just like so. This is it. It's so squishy. The next category is waffle. I didn't have waffle, so I'm gonna choose one squishy to bite on. So I choose this jumbo onsen cheeseburger. So yucks. The next category is cream puff. I don't have any for cream puff also, so let's just choose this gel cream. So the next category is egg. So I have this egg squishy. The next category is cream puff or cream. The next category is biscuit. So for biscuit, I have this crackling Disney crackling biscuit, I guess. But the crackling thing is like because of this, it is not crackling. It's like normal squishy, but it's not that slow rising or squishy. The next category is bread. I choose this Hello Kitty Low. This is my favorite squishy, even though it's like big bag. I don't know if that is big bag, and this thing over here. Like, look at this. So squishy. So squishy. The next category and the next and the last category is sandwich. I choose this Rilakkuma sandwich, which is the blueberry film. So that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe me, and also do follow me on Instagram. I'll put all the links down below. So bye guys.